Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday. Before we start, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any future episodes. Now, if you guys remember from last week's episode, I purchased the Polaroid Holga Instant Film back, and there was an accident with Ziggy where I accidentally hit him with a box, but that is not the point of that story. The story is, this week I was meaning to grab some film and actually show you guys how to put film into that back attachment for the Holga, but it turns out that it is a different kind of Polaroid film that isn't readily available, so I have to order it online. And one, it's a little expensive, and two, I have not gotten any in time for this video. So instead, I'm gonna be opening this box right here. Now, in my search on the interwebs for cool and obscure instant film things, I came across this baby right here. It is called the Polaroid Mio. So let's get into this. As always, be careful with sharp objects because you could cut yourself. I bought this on the Facebook Marketplace, so the packaging is not the best. And apparently the person put it in 2 boxes, which is good, I guess. And here it is. A little backstory on the Mio. So apparently Fujifilm and Polaroid have been doing collaborations since the early to mid 1980s, and they did a few cameras that were branded as Polaroid but made by Fujifilm. And in 2001, Polaroid still held the market in North America for instant cameras, and Fujifilm wanted to market their instax cameras in the US, so they collaborated and made the Polaroid Mio, as you can see right here. And that was right around the time where Polaroid was going through their first bankruptcy, and unfortunately the Mio was one of the cameras that was discontinued. Now the cool thing about this is in 2001 they made film called the Polaroid Mio film, but flash forward a few years after the bankruptcy and Fujifilm becoming as big as they are now, they started making what's called the Polaroid Pic 300 film, aka the Fujifilm Instax Mini film. So this actually takes Fujifilm Instax Mini film. So one thing to note is it does take a couple weird batteries called the CR2, which I have picked up right here. They run for about $10 for a pair. I just picked it up at Walmart. So they're gonna go in. Oh, and I dropped one. Here's the going like this. Oh, cool. So the cool thing about the Polaroid Mio is at an entry-level Polaroid, it comes with a lot of different different modes that you wouldn't normally get with something like the Polaroid Pic 300 or the Instax Mini 7S. If you guys so choose, I will link the Mini 7S and the Polaroid Pic 300 video at the end of this video so you can check out the difference between those. So on the back, there is a flash mode that lets you override the automatic flash of the camera. There is a lighten and darken mode, so you can choose to overexpose or underexpose your shot depending on the light in your environment. Then there is this mountain mode. So the cool thing about the Polaroid Mio is it has 2 focusing ranges, 2 to 10 feet or 10 to infinity feet. And you just press the mountain icon to differentiate between those two. And then you have the power button, of course. And then the shutter button is right here in the front. So I'm going to turn it on. And it extends the lens. You see that on the top at the LCD there's a dash because there is no film in it, and then on the back right here you're gonna see a light that will turn off when the flash is ready, which already happened, so I'm going to show you guys that again. Right there. So I'm going to turn this off, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to put film into this camera, which incidentally enough is just like most Instax mini cameras, which I will also link a video to how to put Instax mini film in the Neo Mini 90, the Neo Classic Instax Mini 90, which is the same. So you're going to want Instax mini film. They come in 1 pack, 2 packs. I get them by the 2-pack because they are cheaper that way. It's going to come in a foil package. You're just going to open the foil package. Careful not to touch the front and the back or press on it because it will mess with the chemicals. As you can see, there are little labels not to press on the back or these holes. You're going to set it aside, and you're going to press this little latch right here to open the door like so. And on the back of the film there's going to be this little tab, yellow tab, and there's also going to be one right here on the camera. It's a little hard to see because of the lighting, but you're going to put the film in like that. You're going to close it up, and then you're going to turn it on. And like most instant cameras, I know some shoot the dark slide out like the Instax Mini 90, but this is one of the ones where you're going to have to push the shutter button. That does not sound good. Hold on. I think I'm having technical difficulties with my camera. Let's see what the deal is. So first off, as you can imagine with an old camera, there are going to be some sort of difficulties. It's definitely not supposed to be making that noise. Let's try this again. Okay, now turn it off. The lens seems to be not doing well, and the film seems to be stuck, so this video might be a wash, guys. Anyways, I'm going to try to fix my camera, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye!